Introducing Gati, the all-in-one school excellence platform designed to revolutionize school operations and elevate performance. Let's explore the purchase module, one of the 20 powerful modules offered by Gati. From diverse procurement needs to handling invoices, managing a school's purchase department can be overwhelming. But not with Gati. The purchase admin can effortlessly generate a requisition by entering the required details into a simple form. Once the list of requested goods is confirmed, the system generates a unique requisition ID, which serves as a reference for approvals and the purchasing process. Employees can also raise requisitions directly from their profiles without any hassle. All pending requisitions from employees are accessible under the Pending Requisition feature, providing a detailed view for better tracking. After reviewing the requisition list, the purchase admin can compare prices from different vendors directly within the platform. Simply select the requisition ID, choose vendors from the list, and click the Add button. A form will appear where the admin can enter the rates offered by vendors. Once the details are saved, the comparison list is automatically sent for approval to the principal and super admin. After reviewing the submitted rates, they can approve the selected vendor and authorize the purchase for further processing. Once approved by principal and super admin, purchase admin can create order by filling up the order quantity and the product price, and then our system will automatically calculate the further final amount. No need to manually calculate anything. The admin can review the details, select the applicable terms and conditions for the vendor, and submit the order. The generated invoice is then transferred to the accounts section for payment processing. They can review the proposed invoice and proceed with the payment by selecting the ledger details, payment amount, and payment source. They can complete the transaction with just a few clicks. With the payment note sheet feature, the purchase admin can access a complete list of orders placed and their payment details. The system also provides a timeline view for tracking every step from order creation and approvals to payment status. Additionally, the purchase admin can record issued and received stock through the Stock Received feature. Simply select the stock type, choose the item to be issued, enter the employee ID, quantity, and click Insert. The data is securely stored in your stock database. To view stock records, just go to the Stock Summary feature, where you can access all issued and received stock data in one place. Easily import stock data in bulk using the Import Stock feature. Simply download the pre-formatted registration sheet, enter stock details, and upload it back to the system. The information is automatically stored in your stock database, saving you time and effort. Our detail-oriented software Gati provides an intuitive dashboard for an easy and quick overview of essential details, allowing you to stay updated at a glance. Ready to take your school to the next level of efficiency and excellence? Let's accelerate your success with Gati.